Hi, this is Derek Wilson with CDO Advisors, and in this Power BI tutorial video, we're going to focus on one very important topic, and that's how to get your great visualizations that you built into the Power BI service in the cloud. So to do that, it's very simple. As you can see here, I've got this Power BI report already built out. Now I want to share it with other people that have the appropriate Power BI licenses. And to share it, all I need to do is make sure I'm on the home tab of my ribbon. Then I'm just going to click on publish. And if I'm signed in, it will authenticate on the Power BI service. And here you can see we've got our Power BI service. It's going to give me different destinations that I can put my app. So my workspace is the default. All of these others are apps that I have. In my case, I have a Power BI overview app. So I'm just going to publish it there. Click select. Now it's actually taking my Power BI report and the data that's within it, publishing it out to the Power BI service. And once it's complete, it will come back and tell me that everything has been completed. You can see it's publishing to Power BI, and finally it's successful. So for me to open it, I can log into Power BI, log into the app, and find my report, or I can simply just click on open the financial sample PBIX in Power BI. This is the easiest way. It'll open directly in Power BI. And so here you can see the report that I built looks the exact same. So that's it. Build your reports, have the licenses that you need, publish out to Power BI, share with your friends. And please subscribe to my channel